can't you use a 2-inch razor feather on a crossbow bolt also? As long as you're paper tuning your bow to your fletchings, when you paper tune your arrow to your bow, you're ensuring straight arrow flight. It helps in penetration and distance. It doesn't matter if you're a target archer or if you're a hunter. You want your arrows flying straight out of your bow. It makes no sense to shoot an arrow downrange that's flying at an angle or porpoising up or down. Use good common sense, folks. And again, you can see, I hope, that the feather actually bends out of the way where a piece of plastic would not do that. Again, 30 yards, a simple shot like what you would have in the woods in the Midwest back in. This is the only crossbow Gateway Feathers owns. Fixed blade broadhead, 4-inch feather. I just wanted to show you, one, how this fits down the rail. When you look at the way the feather has to bend in order to get on the rail, why on earth would you ever want a piece of plastic in there when the feather is bending, and obviously it does a better job of getting out of the way than any piece of plastic. Anyway, I wanted to show you fixed blade broadhead at our target, about 30 yards or so. I know it's raining, and the sound probably isn't very good, but I wanted to take the opportunity to show you folks any kind of weather, any kind of bow. It doesn't have to be a long bow or a recurve. You can use feather fletchings to accurately guide your arrows. Folks, you have a choice. Every time you go to a pro shop, every time you get online and order product, you have a choice. Do I want to use what the manufacturers, the arrow manufacturers, and the people that, do you want to use what the arrow manufacturers just put on your arrow shafts without asking what is this and why do I want it? Or will you make an informed decision, which is the right decision, and put feathers on your arrows? Thank you for your time. And I'm going to go enjoy my rainy Arizona day.